Designed specifically for blockchain-based systems, Kaspersky blockchain security protects against cyber threats, detecting new types of attacks and vulnerabilities. Kaspersky Token Offering Security. An ICO or STO project is a complex process involving a whole range of technologies, from web to distributed ledgers and cryptography. Flaws and vulnerabilities in smart contracts and unprotected data transfers can lead to reputational and financial losses. Kaspersky Token Offering Security guarantees in-depth smart contract code audit to identify logic errors, vulnerabilities, and undeclared functionality. For an even higher level of security, the solution includes an incident response service and protection from fraud and phishing, and a cybersecurity training program. Kaspersky Crypto Exchange Security. The yearly trading volumes of crypto exchanges are estimated to be in the billions of dollars, which invariably attracts the attention of cybercriminals. Hackers hijack user accounts and credentials and disrupt operations with DOS attacks. The damage amounts to hundreds of millions of dollars every year. Kaspersky Crypto Exchange Security detects vulnerabilities in a crypto exchange's source code and gives recommendations on how to fix them. It protects user accounts and combats DOS attacks. It includes a cybersecurity training and access to top experts. Kaspersky Enterprise Blockchain Security. Distributed ledgers help to improve business processes. Kaspersky Enterprise Blockchain Security provides protection for decentralized applications and enterprise blockchain infrastructure. Each endpoint is secured against breaches, while applications and smart contracts are thoroughly analyzed for vulnerabilities. Kaspersky Blockchain Security is a comprehensive solution for securing sustainable blockchain-based systems, from an enterprise distributed ledger to a worldwide financial service.